So guys, if you're starting, choose your battles. Choose your battles. Don't go and collect what is bigger than you when you don't have capacity. If you must collect what is bigger than you, make sure you have a mentor who will help you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Ijoma. I am the face behind AHAF Lifestyle. If you're new here, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Kindly comment, like, and share this video. Hi guys, in today's video we'll be talking about how to remain consistent and grow your baking business. How to remain consistent while growing your baking business. Tips that would help you grow your baking business. So I just have a few points and I'm going to marshal it out as usual. Tip number 1, start with a niche. I do not advise that beginner bakers or people who are new in this business jump into doing everything. You're a small chops vendor, you're a banana bread vendor, you make ready to go cakes, you're a fondant expert. As a beginner, in as much as during the baking coaching sessions or during the teaching, we are taught all these things, but you should choose your strengths as a beginner, because doing the whole three or doing everything at once may drain you. You may not make a lot of money, because when you are jumping on every Tom, Dick, and Harry, you may be shortchanging yourself, in the sense that let me just do the job. Let me just do how much did it price? Let me just do the job. Start with your strengths. If you are good at making loaf cakes, that's where you want to start from. Start from there. Market loaf cakes. Use the word of your mouth. I make loaf cakes, so I think this area. Study your environment. Oh, there are more students living here. Maybe if you start ready to go cakes, maybe too expensive for them to afford, owing to the price of baking materials, icing tools, icing materials, this current time that we are in. So we can start with, okay, loaf cakes. Okay, no, I want to do banana bread. I am good at that. Start with. You understand that you can do every other thing. It's okay, no, I want to measure in small shops. Okay, there are people living around here. There are schools. They do a lot of parties. Okay, fine. You can start. You can be doing others, but on a very low-key basis. For instance, I'm going to give you an example. I personally do not like to make small chops. 1, I do not have the staff strength. I don't have that staff strength. Small chops is not for the weak. To cut those veggies, especially if you don't have this yam pounder, this I think it's almost over 30k now, or close to 40k. If you don't have that staff strength, or is it making the wraps, you may not be able to afford the ready-made chops that people prepare and sell. So imagine making 1,000 wraps, only you. You don't have siblings, you don't have staff. So choose a niche that you can be able to do according to your capacity. I'm the only one doing this. I have other responsibilities. I'm a student, I'm a parent, I have children, I have family, I have other things I'm doing. Choose your strength. Imagine only you can collect a job of delivering 1,000 small chops plates. Inside that small chops, there is puff-puff. Inside that, there is samosa. Inside it, there is spring roll. Only you. How will you do it? And the money that I even charged is, let me just give me, next time they'll give me a better job. If you hire somebody, how will you be able to pay? If you dive into that kind of thing, ensure that, if I collect this job, me, I'm not charging 15 naira per small job. It has to be 100. These are examples I'm giving. Or 200. So that, because I know I can't do it alone, I have to hire people. I may even end up using someone else's kitchen. So that at the end of the day, you're not using your money to fund it. Because if you buy ingredients, if you have to use someone's space, someone's gadget, someone's instrument, if you have to hire somebody, you have to pay. At the end of the day, even if you don't make profit, at least the money they paid is enough to cover all those small extra expenses. Of which, if you had your own kitchen, had staff, those money wouldn't have left your pocket. It would have served as your profits. So guys, if you're starting, choose your battles. Choose your battles. Don't go and collect what is bigger than you when you don't have capacity. If you must collect what is bigger than you, Make sure you have a mentor who will help you. Make sure you have somebody, okay, I can run to this person. And don't expect that person to do it for free for you. Don't expect to use somebody's kitchen, somebody's tool, somebody's staff for free. There should always be an agreement. Excuse me, ma, can I use your kitchen for 1 day? Can I use your kitchen for 2 days? If I use it, how much? She said her kitchen is 50,000 per day. Be able to strike a deal. Ma, please, I'm starting. What can you do for me? Can you give me discounts? Don't be entitled and said, okay, she cannot even help me. So that way you are charging your clients. Don't be charging, because let me just let her know me. Consider these things. That's why costing is very important. Learn how to cost. Your ingredients, money must be there. Extra expenses, delivery. Money for delivery must be there. They are delivery from here to something that will take you 3 hours drive. You didn't put delivery fee. This economy that food is 800 naira. Even if you charter a cab, don't know how much it will charge you. You didn't add it because you are doing, let them know me. No, this is 2024. You should learn, choose your battles. Start from what you can do. Then if your staff strength increase, you cannot hire somebody, you cannot hire a space, you cannot have a bigger kitchen, you cannot have bigger. Imagine as a baker, you don't have 10 liters mixer. Let's not even go to industrial mixer because it's expensive. You don't have 10 liters mixer and you want to do a castle cake. Is it your 5 liters mixer that you keep mixing batter that reads and do 20 crates of egg with your 5 liters mixer? I am not ready to hire somebody's kitchen. If you must take that job, charge in such a way that you can buy at least 2 10 liters mixers, such that if you are mixing fruit cake here, mixing another one here, it's not in your 5 liters table mixer or your hand mixer that use and do 20 crates of egg for one castle cake. No. Choose your battles. Pick your niche. Do what you can. Take baby steps. Please don't envy anybody. The social media is giving us, this current land, social media will do what also to you, but don't panic. Everybody is doing well on social media. You don't know their reality. You don't know them in person. Some people are surviving on loans. Some people have spouses. Some people have family members who are heavily supporting them. Some people have high-class paying clients. You are still starting. Don't compare. And remember, whatever you do now is a bedrock for your tomorrow. So that tomorrow, when you remember when you started, how you struggled, you'll be encouraged to remain on track. You'll be encouraged to do more. You'll be encouraged to leave a footprint. Choose your strengths. Choose your battle. Start with baby steps. Don't be too greedy in this industry. Do your costings. Know your costings at your fingertips. The cost of ingredients is very expensive. You may not make 100,000 naira for a start as a newbie. Maybe after all your expenses from a wedding cake you did, your gain is maybe 20k, and that is your first wedding cake. It is okay. Some other person may be lucky and get 200k as her profit after her expenses for her first wedding job. But your first wedding job, you're making 20k, 10k after all your expenses.